So if you're trying to run a command line on your terminal and you're seeing something like this, for instance, in my own case, I'm trying to install Terminator and I'm getting this error that the following packages have unmet or the rest of this. So this is how you fix this. In order to fix this, you would pay attention and look at the area that said the following packages have unmet dependency. See this particular one, that libce-dev is. So yours might show a different thing there, but take note and go ahead and do sudo apt install. In my own case, libc6 this. So go ahead and click that and let it install. Yes, it's requesting, click yes and let it continue. Now at this stage, if this pops up, just move your mouse, your keys, and select yes, then tap enter and continue. Okay guys, it's done installing, so let me go ahead and try install Terminator and see what happens. Keeping my fingers crossed, hope it worked. Okay, alright, so I click yes and approve, and so you know the rest of it, it's worked. Alright guys, my name is Stanley Chima and thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube if you want more content like this, and do well to watch this video that shows you how to install Python